In this video, I will show you how to add contact in WhatsApp on iPhone. You can easily add new contacts and share, edit or delete your existing contacts with WhatsApp. First, make sure that WhatsApp on your iPhone is updated. Open App Store, search for WhatsApp and install updates if available. Now open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Go to the Chats tab. Now tap plus icon at the top right side. Next, tap New Contact. Enter first name, last name, select country and enter mobile number. Once done, tap save and new contact will be added in WhatsApp. So that is how you can add contact in WhatsApp on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.